Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Hito Shillong City hapo ka jinglam u president uba ban pentengan. Kala Leit Khang ki Ophis ki baple mata Sngi ka bedai ka lingkhu Sngi yap ba shispa khandai phoi snam jong upaim Tirot sing sim ni. Ka seng ka penpawi ka jing maham ka bajur babaro ki Ophis ki jakatrei ki badan habri u hanyo trap bagi dei ban Burom mi ka Sngi ka bakerpang da ka ba Khang ki Ophis kat kum ka jing Burom yu upat ba bare ka jing le lait luat jong Tirot sing sim ni. Kaseng ke kenturu ya baro bandong ke jing Treikam ban penek pensa ya ke Burom bat kanam jong unong yalam bakrau jong ke jat benriu hanyotrap ke jila Meghalaya ke jurakhe ke Sngi khat nyotrik naitung kum ke Sngi Burom ya Tirot sing.
No, actually, we already informed. They only did it now.
Hito Shillong State, HITO Shillong State. So we want to shut down, today is the holiday. And if you do again like this, then it will be a problem. No? If you don't respect our culture, how will we respect you? Now I'll shut down. I don't know, you talk wherever you talk now I'll shut down. It doesn't look nice, no, that we have to come every time. You also have to respect our culture, no?
I'm just getting the laptop.
Gerak kat badan kamu, apa-apa sendiri,